Hi, I'm Dr. Rajani. Thanks for joining me for a great video today. We're talking mesotherapy. I started learning this around the 2000s, early 2000s in France. It was invented, one would say, by Pasteur. And Dr. Pasteur did it essentially by putting drugs, instead of like for pain, for knee pain, for joint pain, into the body orally, he put them around the joints, around the area. And then it evolved for all sorts of different things, and of course aesthetics made its way into mesotherapy. And you'll know of the Pasteur 4, the Pasteur 2. These are guns that are used to inject, kind of injection guns to put in small aliquots of the cocktails. And that's how we originally learned, were cocktails of medication to go into the skin to make it look good. Coming over to the United States, a lot of people know it as lipo-dissolve. A little bit away from the way it was meant to use, but that's a whole nother concoction of products used to either reduce fat, or in the case of cellulite, to help remove cellulite and smooth the skin. So meso means middle. It's the middle layer of skin. I'm going to go through it today, what it is, should you use it, is it going to make a difference, and I'm going to finish with my favorite cocktail of products to use to inject into the skin for glow, for beauty, and for youth. The glass skin look. This is consistent with our series on what everyone wants to hear about, is glass skin, how to get that beautiful skin in 3 seconds. Okay, so mesotherapy, nothing very new, but there are new products, new ways to use it. Part of why it fell by the wayside is because of microneedling took its place, as you know, the dermal rollers and the stamps that we stamp into the skin with products. Why is it it's all over Europe, Asia, it's in Russia, it's all over the place, but not so much in the United States or Canada, is because of the FDA approval process. In other countries, it's less regulated to get products that are injected for beauty. In the United States and Canada, it's fairly similar. There's an FDA that goes through an FDA approval process for things that are injected in the body with medical claims. And so likely should there be. It is a bit cumbersome, but because of that, we don't have the breadth of products that you see. So a lot of us go to shows and conferences around the world, and we get so excited about these products and we want to bring them back to our patients here in the United States and Canada, but we really can't. It makes it more difficult. Keep in mind that supplements are approved by the FDA, but a slightly different approval process for something you can call a supplement. Thus, for vitamins, for minerals, things that are ingested, they can get approved fairly easily and fairly quickly, and they don't even need approval per se. They can piggyback off others. In the case of fillers or injectables, you need to have a study showing safety and efficacy. So that's part of the reason you don't see things like even Profilo, which I have a video on. You don't see that here, or mesotherapy cocktails. All these exciting things. Now, meso means middle layer of skin, like I said. One of the things that I think that is missed in some of the dermal rolling and stamping is when we inject with the nappage technique, or when we injected with the guns, on the way out, product, as the needle was being removed, product would be injecting the whole way out. Not unlike the lip filler technique of the pillar, the Russian lip tenting technique with the filler, we inject all the way out of the surface so that the superficial vermilion border gets filled. Same thing with mesotherapy. When we inject, and on the way out, we're injecting product with pressure. It gets it better into the dermis than if you're microneedling, for instance, with collagen induction therapy, or say my plasma glow procedure. And that's why the distinction of plasma glow, and you can go to plasmaglow.com or plasmaboosters.com, because I'm going to talk about ingredients today, but understand when you draw your blood and you get PRF, platelet-rich fibrin, that's a great way to mesotherapy your own stem cells, recruit mesenchymal stem cells to heal, to give vibrant skin. Of course, with plasma eyes, we inject it under the eye. Watch my video on plasma eyes and you'll see. Also, I have other mesotherapy videos, and microdose botox, in a way, is a mesotherapy type of treatment, because you're injecting through and all the way out except with Botox. So it's microtox, and I have a video on that you can watch. So what are my favorite ingredients for mesotherapy? First of all, the vitamins. Vitamin C is one of my favorite. L-ascorbic acid, fresh L-ascorbic acid that's as pure as it can be. That helps with pigment, sun damage, helps reverse sun damage, builds collagen, and gives glow. Almost all the cocktails you'll see vitamin C. Now, niacinamide, one of the most important skincare ingredients topically, in very low doses can be used within the cocktail, which is niacinamide, vitamin B3, glow, prevents sun damage, helps with browns through the pigment or the melanocyte and melanosome mechanism of transfer of pigment. And so it's very commonly used, and I do like that a lot. B3, niacinamide and vitamin C work so well and synergistically together. That's one of my other favorite products within the cocktail. Number 3 would be vitamin A. Now you know it through retinols, retinoic acid, derivatives of vitamin A. But vitamin A is an antioxidant. Of course, it's a vitamin. It helps rejuvenate skin. It helps the top layer of skin. The cells tend to be stuck down like glue. Exfoliating allows those cells to come apart and fresh skin from below to reveal itself. So vitamin A, just like we put it on topically, can be wonderful and beautiful in a cocktail of mesotherapy. The dose of retin A is usually around 0.01%. It's low so that people don't get irritation or side effects. Next, vitamin E. Vitamin E is an amazing product for antioxidant, giving glow, hydration. Vitamin E in the skin, as many people you know, you put vitamin E in your skin cream and directly on their face. Vitamin E is an amazing product for nutrients for mesoglow or mesotherapy injections. Hyaluronic acid, we cannot forget about hyaluronic acid. And I covered Profilo, which is a hyaluronic acid injection, a proprietary process. I covered hyaluronic acid on the skin externally. Of course, fillers are hyaluronic acid. The type of hyaluronic acid that we use in these cocktails are non-cross-linked, straight hyaluronic acid for its antioxidant properties, but also for its plumping. Now, the plumping that effect won't last long because your body breaks hyaluronic acid down every few days and remakes it. But what it does do is create low-level inflammation, antioxidant formation, and helps produce collagen and elastin. Those are important properties. Remember, mesotherapy isn't something you just do and you're done for a few years. A lot of people will come in every month, 2 or 3, to help rejuvenate, add minerals and vitamins. Speaking of which, minerals are commonly used as well. Something like glutathione can also be used. Those are great ingredients for cocktails, be it mesotherapy, be it microneedling, be it stamping. But mesotherapy, make no mistake, offers different process. It gets to different layers than those aforementioned procedures. So I still think there's a place. If you want to watch a procedure of the Nappage technique, go to my Plasma Boosters website, plasmaboosters.com, or just search in the toolbar Plasma Boosters here, and I'll put an end card as well so you can watch it. Mesotherapy, have you had it done? Do you like it? What did you see? What are the benefits? What's your favorite procedures? We'll cover them here on this channel. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.